So this is the image now. Look at it. It has popped up, right? So this is a wonderful.
All right. So since I have been posting about AI generated images, I've been getting series of questions on my WhatsApp. I have people asking how they can generate their prompt. So in this video, I am here to explain what prompt means and what it looks like, right? So before you go into AI images, there are some terms you must understand. And one of these terms is or are one, prompt. Prompt spelled as P-R-O-M-P-T, right? Now, a prompt is a set of instructions or inputs you give to an AI model to get a specific output. This simply means that the prompt is like a command you give to an AI model. The model I'm talking about here is not the image model. No, it's the app or the website or the platform you are using to get the images, right? It's called a model, or let's use the sites or the application. So now a prompt is a set of instructions or inputs you give to an AI model, to get a specific output. Now, when you have known that a prompt is an instruction, then it is now left for you to give it a right or a good instruction. Because if you don't give it a good or right instruction, it will give you a wrong or a bad image. So in simple terms, a prompt is how you talk to an AI to tell it what you want. Just like when you want to tell someone you need an outfit, the description you give or you have given the person is what the person will use and sew for you. So a prompt now is like your choice of output you want. So that thing you want to achieve, you need to give it to the AI model, AI platform to give you what you're looking for. Bear in mind, there are a lot of other prompts in fashion context, but in this video, we're going to talk about two of the prompts. They have text-based prompts. Text-based prompts, mostly used in ChatGPT. Now, this ChatGPT is an online app. It also has the paid version, right, that people use to generate a desired image or output. When you have given it a good prompt, it will now work on the prompt you have given to give you your result. Now, you have to write a product description for a men's luxury outfit. You need to be the one, or a female rather, anyone you want to do, male or female, you can do the both, right? So you need to write a product description for your outfit. You give the detailing in detail. Maybe if you want to have a model that is black, you need to give it a black model. If you want to have a white model, you say a white model. So, right, but you must make sure that you get these images to be realistic, right? So how is it realistic? You have to also give a command to the AI to know what to do. So before the end of this video, I will show you how I get my prompt. I will give you an example in this tutorial. So make sure you watch the very end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel or follow my page, depending on where you are seeing this video from. So now, once you have decided or analyze what you are going to tell your ChatGPT, then you now give it that prompt. It will work with it. So for you to do this effectively, the first thing you need to do now is to download the app in your Play Store or Apple Store. When you download it, you will see a plus sign, which I will show you guys as well as we proceed in this video. So you click on the plus sign to add the image that you want to model for an AI, and then give the description of what you want it to look like. And then it will pop up and come out as you have desired, right? So now the next you have to also know is that you have image-based prompts. So for you to have a perfect result, you must use two prompts: your text-based prompt and your image-based prompts, right? So this prompt now will be combined to give you the final result. So without wasting much of time, let us get to the generation of the prompts proper, so you understand what I'm saying in summary. So let's get down to the video proper.
For some of us who don't have the app already, let me take you to Play Store. So you go to Play Store and you search for ChatGPT, right? This one right here, this particular one right here, because I have already installed it. That's why it's showing installed, right? So you get this particular one, and then once you get it and then you have installed it, then you open, and this is how it comes out. So this is the template, the interface you will see. So you click on the plus sign here, this plus sign here, you click on it, you see photos and camera, right? Already the image you want to generate, the model is already in your phone already. So you click on photos. So here I will pick this one as my first photo. It will load. So once it has loaded, this circular stuff will stop loading. Then you come here, you now say generate an AI model. An AI model wearing this outfit. This is the first line you will use, right? Then you now think deep. What do you want the model to be doing? Will the model be smiling? Will the model be frowning? Will the model bone? Right? So you decide on what exactly you want the model to be doing. So when it's outfits, smiling, this is a command. Like you want the model to be smiling, with a red cap, with a red Igbo cap. You give it a right prompt, like a total description of what you want to have, right? Wear a red Igbo cap in a living room. Okay, standing in a living room, well furnished, right? Then if you possibly want to add more description, you can say holding a cup of coffee, right? So let's try this. So this is the prompt I have generated right here, right? This is my own personal prompt I used or I'm using to work with this. So once you are done with that, then you click on this arrow search, right? It will now be telling you create an image. You will see where it says here, it said getting started. So you don't need to rush it. So just calmly wait for it. Now it will load. So I have to pause this video and allow it to load. It takes like a couple of minutes so that it won't be boring for you to watch. So I will pause the video, and then once it comes out, I will show you the results. Okay, it's already creating image. Okay, let's leave it to load. So you see the reality, that you wouldn't think it was another prompt I used to generate the image. It's just as simple as this. I have seen many people making online classes for this, asking for money. Yes, it's their own business, but then I think it's something that all of us can do to help ourselves, right? So if you still value what I'm doing, you can still show appreciation. So right here, it's creating image. So just give it time, it will come up. So this AI stuff, like most people do say, like is going to give issues for people to sew outfits. For me, I see that once you're good in sewing, anything you see, you can replicate the exact design and everything. Most designs now online are AI actually, but then it doesn't really stop you from, being a good designer that you are. So this will help most people that don't have money to buy mannequin, or people that their clients hardly send pictures when they put on their dresses, or people that are camera shy. So you don't need to bug them for pictures anymore. All you need to do is just to snap the clothes. Once you are done making it, use your AI to generate the image. I think I still need to pause this, and then before we continue with the tutorial. Now, it said image created. Look at it. You see, very fine. So if you notice that if there's any change or any difference in what the image you gave is, you can go ahead to edit it more. And then so this is the image now. Look at it. It has popped up, right? So this is a wonderful image. So you click on save. You click on save, it will download in your phone. So let's check my gallery and see it in my gallery. So right here, you go to my gallery, and this is it. You see, at least you saw the last images here. So this is it. So look at the description, look at the fitting, look at the results, look at how it came out. So this sample I gave you now is the sample what you can use to create a replica image, and it will give you a nice result. So I do hope you derive value in this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bear in mind that this image generation must not be a human being. You can decide to use mannequin as your model. You just tell the ChatGPT to give you a mannequin wearing this outfit, and it will give it to you as you have commanded. Bye, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.